Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to continue with our practice set 12.1, question number 2. Question number 1, the link for question number 1 is already there in the description below. So now we'll continue with question number 2, solve the following equations. So the first one is 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. Now, in order to solve these kind of equations, linear equations, first, let us write down, we will bring the variable towards one side and all the number towards one side. So, 17p will remain as it is over here on this side. 49 will remain as it is on the right hand side. Now, this minus 2, when it is transposed to this side, that is from left hand side to right hand side, minus sign will become positive, that is negative will become positive. So in place of minus 2, when it is transposed to the right hand side, we are supposed to write plus 2. Now we will add these two numbers, we will get 51. Therefore p is equal to 51. Now here 17 is multiplied, so when it is transposed to this side, it will be divided. So 51 divided by 17. Therefore, the value of p is equal to 17 threes will give us 51. So therefore p is equal to 3. Second question. Let us start. We'll keep 2m over here on this side because we are supposed to find out the value of m. Now put equal to sign, 9 will be there on the right hand side itself, plus 7, when we transpose it to this side we will get minus 7. As you know, it's the signs, if it is plus it will become minus, and if it is minus it will become plus, so vice versa. Now since we have all the numbers towards one side, we can easily subtract this number. So 9 minus 7 will give us 2. Again the same thing, we will keep the variable 2 divided by 2, so m is equal to 1. In this third question, as you can see, we have a variable, that is term with variable on both the sides. So let us, 3x will remain as it is. From this right hand side, if we bring this 2x to this, now it is plus 2x. So when we transpose it to this side, it will be minus 2x. Similarly, first let us see which number is there on the right hand side, minus 4. So we will keep minus 4 over here as it is. We will bring this plus 12 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So plus 12 will become minus 12. So now all the variables, all the terms with variables are towards one side, and all the numbers are, or the numerical part are on the other side. So now we can easily carry on with the operations. That is 3x minus 2x will give us x, 1x. Minus into minus plus, so 12 plus 4 will give us 16. And greater number has negative sign, so we'll put here minus. So x is equal to minus 6. In this equation, first we will open the bracket. 5 into x, 5x. 5 into 3, 15. Again this side also, 3 into x, 3x. And 3 into 2 will give us 6. As you can see, this equation is similar to question number 3. So now again the same thing, same steps. All the variables towards one side. 5x will remain here. Plus 3x will become minus 3x. Plus 6 will remain here as it is. And minus 15 will become plus 15. Then 5x minus 3x will give us 2x. And 15 plus 6 will give us 21. Therefore, x is equal to 21 upon 2. Now we cannot divide 21 by 2 because it is not divisible by 2. So we will keep it as it is. Now here we have one fraction over here in this equation. So let us keep this as it is as of now. Plus 10 as it is. Now this minus plus 1 we will transpose it to this side. So plus 1 will become minus 1. 9x upon 8 is equal to 10 minus 1 will give us 9. Now this 8 is divided over here. It's in the it is in the denominator. So when we transpose it to this side, it will be multiplied. So therefore 9x is equal to 8 9s will give us 72. So therefore x is equal to 72 divided by 9, which will give us 8. So the value of x is equal to 8. In this question, the denominators are different, so we'll first make the denominators same. You can use either LCM method or we can easily cross multiply this. We can multiply 3 by this, so it will give us 3y. We can multiply this 7 by this second term, so y minus 4, the whole 7 into 3. This is equal to 2. Next, now we will write down 3y as it is. We will open the bracket. 7 into y will give us 7y. Plus into minus will give us minus. So 7 4s will give us 28. 7 3s will give us 21 is equal to 2. Therefore, 3y plus 7y minus 28. Now this 21 is divided over here, which is in the denominator. When we transpose it to this side, it will be multiplied. Now here, as you can see, we have common variable y. So we can add this 3y plus 7y. It will give us 10y. Minus 28 will remain as it is as of now. We will find the product of this. It will give us 42. Next, now we will keep this 10y as it is. Minus 28 will become plus 28. So therefore, 10y is equal to, it will give us 70. So therefore, y is equal to 70 divided by 10. Y is equal to 7. In this question, as you can see on the right hand side, we have a fraction. The denominator, we will transpose it to this side. So 2 will be multiplied by the left hand side. And 3 will remain as it is. So first we'll multiply, open the bracket. So therefore 26x is equal to 3 plus 10, 13 upon 26. We know that 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. So the answer for this is x is equal to 1 upon 2. Here in this equation, as you can see, first we will open the bracket. So here 3 into y, 3y, 24. 10 into y will give us 10y, minus 10 4s are 40, and plus 8 as it is. Now we'll follow the same steps. We'll bring all the variables towards one side. So 3y and this minus 10y over here. Then we'll keep everything on the right hand side as it is. And we'll bring this 24 towards this side. So it will become minus 24. So here plus into minus minus. So 10 minus 3 will give us 7. Y. Greater number has negative sign. So I'll put here minus 7y. Now in this first we will add both the numbers. Here minus 40 and minus 24 will give us minus 64, because minus into minus is plus. Then plus 8, we'll be writing it down as it is. Therefore minus 7y is equal to, now over here plus into minus minus, so 64 minus 8 will give us 56. Greater number is 64, so here we'll put greater number sign. Therefore y is equal to minus 56 upon, now this when it is multiplied, here when we transpose it to this side, it will be divided. So minus 7y will be divided. Minus minus gets cancelled. We have over here 7 8s are 56. So therefore y is equal to 8. In this question, on both the sides we have a fraction. So we will cross multiply this. So we will multiply this 7. 7 is in the denominator. When we transpose it to this side, it will be multiplied. So x minus 9, and when if this is in the denominator, if we transpose it to this side, it will be in the numerator. So 5 multiplied by x minus 5. Now we'll open the bracket. 7x, 63, 5x, 25. So therefore 7x minus 5x minus 25 plus 63. So over here 7x minus 5x will give us 2x, and over here as you can see we have minus and plus. So plus into minus will give us minus. So 63 minus 25 will give us 38, and greater number has positive sign, so we'll write down here plus 38, that is considered. Now therefore I'm continuing over here, x is equal to 38 divided by 2. So the answer after dividing this will be 19. Now this is the 10th question. For this we will make the denominator same. Here the denominator is 1, so we will make it 3. So LCM is 3, so y minus 4 will remain as it is. This term we will multiply it by 3. And now the denominator for both the terms are 3 common, so we'll write down in common 1. Then we will keep the numerator as it is. We will multiply and open the bracket. 3 3s will give us 9y, and this 4 will remain as it is, and 3 here when it is transposed to the other side it will be multiplied. Next, now y plus 3 9y will remain as it is. 4 3s will give us 12, and this minus 4 will come to this side and it will be plus 4. So y plus 9y will give us 10y. 12 plus 4 will give us 16. So therefore the value of y will be 16 upon 10. Now this 16 upon 10, it has a common factor, so it is divisible by 2. So we can write it down as 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10. Now further division is not possible because none of the factors are common. Last question of this practice set, question number 2, sub question 11. A very easy question. Here we'll write the numerator as it is on this side itself. As it is we will write it down. Later on we will open the bracket. 21 also as it is. Now this 4 is divided, so it will be multiplied on this side. Sorry, 4. Next, now we will open the bracket. So b plus 1. The sign will remain the same because all are positive numbers. All the terms are positive. 21 multiplied by 4 will give us 84. Now we'll add all the variables. So b plus b plus b will give us 3b, since there are 3 b's. And 2 plus 1 will give us 3. Now we'll keep the variable term over here, and this 3, if we bring it towards this side, it will be minus 3. So therefore 3b is equal to 81. So therefore b is equal to 81 divided by 3. So therefore b is equal to 27. So we are done with all the questions from practice set 12.1. So if you like this video and if you understood everything, please subscribe to my channel, and there is a link for 12.1 question number 1 in the description below.